Lesson 2. Using 2D design tools. When you open 2D design tools, a menu box will appear in the middle of the screen. You can ignore this. Next, you need to look at the menu. Look at the menu on the right of your screen. Here we have the grid and the grid lock function. The menu on the left contains all the drawing functions, and the first box shows you drawing straight lines. The next button shows drawing a contour or parallel line parallel to a line that already exists. You are now going to create your first drawing. First, start by drawing two lines at 90 degrees to each other using the grid lock function. Your lines will follow the dots on the screen and will lock to them. Next, we are going to use the contour tool and we're going to set the contour distance to 100 millimeters. You now place the cursor just to the right of the line and click, and you will get another line 100 millimeters away and the same at the top. Try this and see what happens. We are now going to draw two more lines, as you can see in this picture. We are now going to draw two more parallel lines to the last two lines, this time 50 millimeters apart. So click on the contour tool and alter the dimension to 50 millimeters. Next, we are going to use the delete tool to remove lines that we don't need. The delete tool that we need is the one with a little red mark in the middle. This is called partial delete, and it only deletes part of a line. Next, we are going to add some detail, which will be two lines 30 millimeters from the right hand edge and 30 millimeters from the top edge. You can see the lines being drawn here. Next, we are going to use the delete tool or the partial delete tool to clear away any bits of lines that we don't need, just as we've done before. Now we are going to add dimensions. Dimensions can be horizontal or vertical. We're going to add the vertical ones first. These go up and down. You will need to make sure the attach tool on the right hand menu is on for your dimensions to attach to your drawing. The horizontal dimensions are drawn in exactly the same way, except you switch to the horizontal measuring. Make sure attach is on and click the lines that you wish to include in your horizontal measuring. None of the measurements should be inside the actual drawing. Next, we are going to add a title to our drawing, and we use this using the text tool on the left-hand menu. We click on the letters and we get a text box, and we can type in the text box the title of our drawing, which in this case is Block with a Notch. Make sure you spell correctly. Change the size of the text by going to the settings menu and changing the height of the letters to 10 millimeters in the bottom part of the screen. You are now going to save your drawing, and your teacher will show you how to do this and where you want it to be saved, but you need to make sure that you save it into your area of the network. When you have done this, screenshot the drawing that you have done, because you're going to insert this into your Google document for this week's lesson.